Hello Nigeria, how are you all doing? Today I'll be talking about the 5 places that you should invest in Nigeria, okay? If you are thinking of investing in Nigeria, then these cities should be the top on your list. I'm not saying that you can't invest anywhere in Nigeria. Of course, Nigeria is the most populated country in Africa, and of course, anything you do just anywhere in Nigeria is going to work, okay? But I just want to choose, this is me, Ruffle, talking about the 5 places you can invest in Nigeria and make a lot of money. But before I go down to that, I just want to say hi to my Nigerian people, guys. How are you all doing? So much love to all of you out there, Nigerians. I love you so much from Cameroon. I'm right here in Douala, so you guys are my neighbors, okay? So I love you so much. I love Africa. You guys are doing something that's very great. In Nigeria, every year more than 500,000 companies are being formed. Who does that anywhere in Africa? And with over 200 million people, guys, you should be thinking about investing in Nigeria. I have been to Nigeria so many times. I've done business in Lagos. Not just to visit. I actually went there to do business, okay? In Lagos, in Onitsha, in Aba, Port Harcourt, in Kano, all these places, I have been there myself to do business. And believe me, you guys, you are doing well. Hello, that's how we do in the area. How na day? Hey, chairman. Well done, sir. I beg. So if you're watching me from Nigeria, make sure you drop me a comment. Salute me from Cameroon. Salute me. Drop me a comment to tell me, hey, you're watching me. And I just want to say that share this video as much as possible. I really want to sell the country Nigeria because I know you guys are the financial giants of Africa. And I want to sell the country so much, okay, on my channel, on my platform. Some people don't know what Nigeria is made of. So share this video, make sure that it gets to your local government chair people and your governors, okay, your state governors, so they can call me and say, hey, let's work together. I want to work with you guys to actually do more videos about Nigeria, about the various states and what these states are made of, okay? My numbers are on the screen. You can get to me. I am right here on WhatsApp anytime. Let's talk about the opportunities, the business opportunities in Nigeria. So if you're watching me from Nigeria, drop me a comment, share this video, like, and also make sure you subscribe to the Business in Africa YouTube channel because I just love your country. I love Africa and I love Nigeria as well. So that said, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ruffle Chifu. I'm the CEO founder of HR and Systems, and for a very long time now, I have been helping so many investors like you get started on the African continent. So if this is your first time on this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button and don't go anywhere because I'll be right back with the topic of the day, which is the top 5 best places to invest in Nigeria in 2021. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back after the break. Hello guys, hello my Business in Africa YouTube community. My name is Ruffle Chifu. I always talk about the best business ideas to invest in Africa. And I have been having a lot of questions from investors like you asking me, which African country should I invest in? I therefore decided to create this. If you're an investor and you want to invest in Africa, then you need this tool. Click on the links in the description box below and download your own copy. Welcome back my people, welcome back Nigeria, welcome back Africa, welcome back all potential investors who are looking at Africa. And today's video, as I said already, we are looking at the top 5 places to invest in Nigeria. But before I go down to this list, there are some criteria that I took into place, okay? Criteria like, the first criteria that I used to pick out these cities. The first one is population, okay? If you want to do business in any country, you want to go where the population is dense because the higher the population, the more customers, or the higher the likelihood that you're going to have more customers and make more money, okay? So you don't want to go to where it's less populated. So find yourself where the population is high. So that's the first criteria. Now, second criteria that I'm using to choose this town is security. You don't want to go where the security is low, right? You want to go where, security is high. And of course, I'm also looking at the weather, like, how good the weather is in the place. And also, I'm looking at accessibility. How accessible is the city, okay? So these are the criteria that I've used. Of course, if you use other criteria, you might choose other towns. But these are the criteria that I've used in this video. And this is my first town, Aba. I have been to the Aba market, right? I think it's called Aurora Market. Yeah, one of the biggest markets in Nigeria. So Aba has close to about 1 million people. And there is just no way you want to do business in Nigeria without thinking of Aba, especially if you want to trade. But also, Aba is, a place where you have a lot of palm kernel, kola nuts. It's also very much plenty in Aba. And also in Aba, there is a lot of manufacturing going on in terms of, mineral water, you've got beer, you've got pharmaceuticals, you've got shoe manufacturing. So these industries are very much available in Aba. So if you want to do anything related to this, then you should be looking at Aba as your next investment destination in Nigeria. Second on my list is Onitsha. We all know about the Onitsha main markets, right? Onitsha also has a lot of trade going on, especially in terms of things like electricals, okay? And Onitsha also has a lot of petroleum products and the manufacturing of tires, nails, and bearings, okay? So if you want to do any business related to this in Nigeria, then you should be looking at Onitsha. I have been to Onitsha. When I went to Onitsha, I actually went there to buy electrical equipment, for this kind of electrical installations, and the prices in Onitsha was very, 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 very cheap, and I bought it from Onitsha and exported that to Cameroon. So I think Onitsha is a very good center as well for you to invest. Of course, they have over 600,000 people and it's also very densely populated. So you should be thinking of Onitsha if you want to invest in Nigeria as well. Third on my list is, but before I go to the third point of my list, I always want to encourage you all to download my books on Amazon Kindle. Last year I published these 2 books. You see them right here. The unique business ideas for every African country, where I just talk about all the business opportunities in all 54 African countries for just $9.9. It's available on Amazon Kindle. Click right now and download that. And you've also got the African Business Startup BRAINBOX. In this book, you're going to find the procedures to create companies in every African country. You're going to find the estimated time and estimated cost and just every documentation you need to get started or to set up your company, okay? It's all in one place right here on Amazon Kindle. The links are in the description box below. It's just $9.9, guys. It doesn't really cost anything. So go right now on Amazon Kindle and get your own copy, okay? Now, I was on point number 3, right? No, not point number 3. Place number 3 or city number 3 to invest in Nigeria, we should be looking at Lagos. Tell me what you don't know about Lagos. Lagos is the most populated town in Nigeria, or city. Let me just say town. The most populated city in Nigeria is Lagos. And Lagos has over 22 million people. I mean, far over 22 million people. Now, believe me, whatever you do in Lagos is going to work. Lagos is more populated than my country, Cameroon. Like, it's the people who are in Lagos is more populated than Cameroon. And Lagos also has very big trading centers and very big business tycoons are based in Lagos. So if you want to go there, you can strike very real big deals in Lagos and do real good business. Real estate is booming there right now. And if you want to do restaurant business, you're going to make a lot of money. And also in Lagos, you've got petroleum, companies based out there, and they're doing real big as well. So think about Lagos as your next big destination if you want to invest in Nigeria. But mind you, in Lagos, everything is moving sharp. You understand? Things go very fast in Lagos, okay? So if you want to step into the competition, if you want to step to Lagos, then know you're stepping into real competition. You have to be tough, okay? So, but Lagos should be on your investment list. Now, the 4th place where I think you should invest in Nigeria is Port Harcourt. Yes, it's a port town, right? Port Harcourt. Hear the name Port Harcourt. So it's a port town. It is called the chief trade center of Nigeria, and believe me, it has a lot of things going on. I've been able to buy so many things from Port Harcourt and import them to Cameroon, and I think the prices in Port Harcourt are also very good, and you can really do business in Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt has close to about over 1 million people as well, and so many petroleum products. Petroleum companies find themselves because it has a lot of water, a lot of sea around there, and the ports of Port Harcourt, like the ports there, is very vibrant, one of the biggest in Nigeria as well. So bringing things to Nigeria is not going to be a problem if you want to do business in Port Harcourt, okay? And you can set up your business there, set up your company, and just start manufacturing and doing good business. So Port Harcourt should be on your checklist. Point number 5. We're on point number 5 now. I'll be looking at Kano. Kano is the biggest city in Nigeria. I mean, biggest in terms of surface area, I guess, right? So Kano should also be somewhere you should be looking at if you want to do business. Kano is best for agriculture and manufacturing. Agriculture, a lot of agricultural industry, like, you know, companies set up in Kano. So if you want to do anything in, you know, related to agriculture, you should be looking at Kano. And Kano has over close to about 4 million people, okay? So that should be on your checklist if you want to do business in Nigeria. So ladies and gentlemen, those were the 5 places which I think you should do business in Nigeria. But as I said before, it must not be in these places. I just picked that out based on some certain criteria, but anywhere in Nigeria is booming, okay? So if you just want to invest, come to invest. Nigeria is a good place to invest in. I know the media has said that, oh, Nigeria, you know, they scam a lot in Nigeria, but believe me, scamming is everywhere in the world. I love Nigerian people. They are hardworking. They are making things happen. The economy is booming, and they don't go to bed. They don't go to sleep. They're there on a daily basis. And if you enter Nigeria, you can really make real money, okay? So forget about what the media is saying. Go there for yourself, assess it for yourself, and do business in Nigeria. Get it from me, Rufo Chifu Mbonku, and believe me, you're going to do it great. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video was resourceful, and if it was, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're watching me from Nigeria, share this video. Drop me a comment in the comment section below just to let me know you like what I'm doing on this channel. And don't forget to subscribe to join the Business in Africa community. Let's keep changing the African script. Let's keep changing the African narrative, okay? That's why I'm here, and I hope you also love Africa, because I do so much love Africa. Shout out to you all out there. Stay blessed. I love Africa. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.